In 3/4 of a mile, turn right.
Honey, we're in the woods.
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh my goodness. Do you hear the wind? Hi everybody. Look what John just bought me. Teasing. We're at the Biltmore Estate and we're going to take you around. We can't videotape in there, but I'm going to take lots of pictures and we're going to talk about it. But man, this place is beautiful. I've wanted to come here since I was a little girl, and when we were in Blue Ridge, I had mentioned that. So this is where I've always wanted to go, and we're going to take a look around and we're going to show you guys. So let's go. Okay, here is the Biltmore. It is 175,000 square feet, the largest house in the United States. It was completed in 1895 for the Vanderbilt family, built by George Vanderbilt. And we're going to go inside. I am so excited to be here. They actually let us walk on the grass. I'm just going to show you where we're at, like on part of the property. This is awesome. 8,000 acres, not square feet. 8,000 acres. Anyways, we're gonna go inside, we're gonna take some photos, and then we're gonna talk about it later on. Let's go on this great tour. Oh honey, let's take a stroll through the garden. This is incredible. I can imagine what this looks like in spring. We've got a few daffodils that are trying to come up over here, but all of these plants and beautiful flowering trees, I can just imagine what this looks like. I bet it's stunning. Guys, we were just touring the grounds, and we were in the conservatory before. I am just in awe of this. Could you imagine? I love flowers and gardening. this is 8,000 acres of just sheer beauty. And I can't imagine having this as your home, can you? Oh, let's go stroll in the garden. The famous gardens here were designed by Frederick Olmsted. He also designed Central Park, Prospect Park in Brooklyn, and a lot of other gardens. So we've been touring the gardens and the grounds here and getting ready to go inside. We have a timed ticket for 10:45, but we cannot videotape inside. But I'm gonna try to take lots of photos. And so let's go see the inside. 175,000 square feet. Can you imagine? Let's go. Okay guys, it is 12 noon. We got here about 8:45 this morning. Our tour was for 10:45 this morning. We just got out of the castle, or the house. What did you think?
It was kind of like a castle.
It was like a castle.
Beautiful.
66 fireplaces, 33 guest rooms, 43 bathrooms.
43, and note before you travel, none of them are open to the public.
That's right, that's right. So a total of 250 rooms. We walked a lot of stairs, a lot of hallways, a lot of corridors. It was so much fun. I'm just in awe, actually. There was so much to see. I did get a little bit of video, so which you probably have already seen at this point. But anyways, we're going to continue our Biltmore adventure, and we're going to go to a couple more places here on the property, and we're going to take you there. So let's go.
Let's go.